Mataas masyado sa kanya ito. Mataas masyado sa kanya.
Cherry na yan, na para akong nakakasigaw.
Taas ba sa kanya yan? Oo, nangangalay ka.
Hindi ganyan.
Okay.
Cherry na yan.
Wait lang at nagja-jump
Alright,
na.
first ball goes to the red team.
Yan.
Traveling.
Sige, i-full mo.
Ulit.
Yan. Okay.
First ball goes to red. Run. Pass to. So good. Rebound by Provendito. Gave to Russell. Russell for three.
Shoot!
Russell, 3 points.
Sa puti.
Start for the rain or shine.
Nasaan na ba? Nawala na tuloy ako.
Run, Loresca. 10 seconds. Yango for three. No good. Rebound by Pupoy to the basket. No good. Rebound by Salamat to Russell. Russell. And getting a foul. By number 6, Guillermo. 16. First team foul. First personal foul for Guillermo. Gabe to Russell. Russell, 10 seconds. Russell for three. Air ball. Run. To Loresca. Loresca back to Dran. Dran for three. Using the board. In and out. Run by Pentido. Subongbong. Arsowa open for three.
Shoot!
Arsowa 3 points. 0 tayo. 6-0 run. For the rain or shine. Galing pa saan yan. Amo. And getting a foul by number 2, Arsowa. First personal foul, first team foul for the rain or shine. Guillermo. To Loresca. Loresca, to Corrada. 10 seconds. Corrada, open for three. Corrada, 3 points. Ulan and press. Salamat. Pass to intercept by Guillermo. A pass play to Dran to the basket. No good. Run by Arsowa to Russell. Russell. Setting the play to Provendito. Pass to Arsowa. Arsowa pick and pass to Salamat to the basket. And out. Out of bounds. Ball in favor of red.
Bag mo. Bag mo. Garbage here. God.
Loresca. To Guillermo. Guillermo, pass to Corrada. Guillermo, and a line violation. Vendido to Arsowa. 10 seconds. Vendido for three. Oh, the one by Salamat. For the follow-up. Oh, the one by Russell. Yes. Basket. 8 our score. Guillermo to the basket for three. Guillermo, 3 points. Russell. To Alcaraz. Boom, boom. Open for three.
Shoot!
Diretso naman. Salamat. Getting the rebound. Russell. And getting a foul. It's foul rep number 7. Number 8. Number 8. First personal foul, second team foul for San Miguel. Russell on the line for 2 shots. First is good. Second shot. Yes, 2 out of 2 by Russell. Pass the play for the red. Abo, out of bounds. Obindido, pass the play, Alcaraz. To the basket. No good. Rebound by Grant. Grant. So, Loresca. Guillermo. Getting a foul by number 14.
Side ball.
Second team foul, first personal foul for Provendido. Pupoy, the ball to Loresca. Loresca for 3. Loresca, 3 points. Buhulan ng press. 10-9 our score. 1 point lead by Rainer Shine. Provendido to Russell. 10 seconds. Russell. Intercept by Abo. Abo. Pass to Loresca. Yes! Basket. James Bay po tayo. 11-10. Five minutes and 10 seconds time remaining. Provendido open for 3. The one by.
Oh!
Bounce. James 5 tayo. Substitution, 5. Substitution.
Papasok na si Tito. Veterans yan.
15, ha?
11 seconds to shoot.
Ano mo matapon yun, te? Shoot! Shoot!
Ahon, ating veterans. Morris, pumato sa tres.
Wala!
Oh, one by Shane. Lakas na na. Jojit to Jack Torre and a foul. Number 7.
Meron ako upuan.
Ubusan mo yan, ha? Oo, upo ka na.
Team foul.
Nahihirapan ako sa'yo. Ubusan mo yan.
Kukunin ko kasi pera sa kanya. Mamaya ka na magbayad.
Tatay to Shane. Shane, 10 seconds. Jack Torre. One by Bonito. Morris. To Mendoza. Mendoza. Back to Umusay. Umusay to the basket. Airball tayo. Out of bounds. Shane. Setting the play. Shane to the basket.
Lumabas pa!
Morris.
Bawi, bawi!
Marco. Umusay. Umusay.
Naku ba yan?
See the ball.
Oh, gandaan, gandaan!
Jack Torre.
Hinga, hinga!
Veterans to. Alam mo.
Oo!
Veterans. One by Shane. 10 seconds. No ball. 3 ball.
Double dribble ka pa.
Nakalimutan.
Kahit ta.
Our score is 13-10. Nice shot by Torres. Good tayo. Boris. Aday. Rebound by Boris. Tutupal. Mendoza. Drive to the basket. Good. Mendoza again. Oh, rebound by Latorre. Go to the basket. Oh, the foul. Line number 10. Orleto. Warning for penalty. Red team. 13-12. Official score. Latorre on the line for 2 shots. First is good. Second shot. Oh, the one by Orleto. For Marco. Marco. Pass to. And the foul by number
Dapat yata na yan nag-live ako. Nag-antay ba sila?
18. First personal foul, 13 foul for Rain of
Live ka na
Shine.
lang. Pwede ka? May load ka ba?
Ay, hindi ako pwede. Dos. 2 dirham lang.
Goes on the line for 2 shots. First, it's good. Second shot. Yes, 2 out of 2 by Mendoza. 15-13 our score. 2 point lead by that. La Torre, to Kaday. Kaday, to La Torre. Salmo for 3. Ball, rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza, pass for play. Intercept by Shane. Shane, escape and shooting the ball. To the basket and out. Foul by number 18, Salmo. Second personal foul. Both team warning for penalty. Boris.
Wala!
Boris, 3 points.
Upo na! Naka 3 points na!
La Torre. To Kaday. Kaday to Isalmo. Isalmo. Out of bounds. White ball tayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Salvo. Back to Kaday. Kaday drive to the basket. Alahul shot. Alahul rebound by Torres. A pass to play. And out of bounds.
Nandun na eh. Kaya ako nakakawala.
Kaya namin yung kamay nun.
Mabuti din na sa pagkasada ng ibay. Ay, kalabaw ka.
Ay!
Di paklong. O baka malamang... Wala yan! Wala! Yay! Wala!
10 seconds. And out of bounds. White ball tayo. Shane. Shane for 3. Shane, 3 points.
Box out, box out.
18-16 our score. Mendoza. To Torres. 10 seconds. Humusay to the basket. No good. Humusay again.
Takbo! Hindi
La Torre.
makatakbo! Mula sa
La Torre drive to the basket.
Ay!
Humusay.
Ah! Sunod! Ah!
Ball tayo. Ball. 34 seconds. Remaining. Serve by Mendoza. Rebound by Git. Latore.
Ako, di makataip.
Latore open for three. 15 seconds time remaining. Boris. Rebound by Latore. 10 seconds.
Shot!
End of the first quarter. Official score, all 80.